I get paid Christmas Eve, 24th, 24th, yeah, so I get it on the Thursday. No, it's due on the Friday, I get it because Christmas is on the weekend. Yeah, so my money's due on the Friday. Early, yeah, everybody does every year. Well, my money's due on the Monday, and I get it on the Friday, so I have it straight show you
hold off for a bit, see if it's designing, so get a bus down there later. Otherwise, I'm driving around Tracy, but that's why
When we had a 3 2,000 euros, I found out there.